Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Hello everybody. We meet again in our online class asynchronous for data communication BEE 4233. So today we will discuss about chapter 4. So this is our thank you very much for our previous lecturer, Mr. Muhammad Hisham Muhammad Arif, for this slide. So in chapter 4 we will discuss about few sub-chapters. 4.1 layer by layer protocols, principle and architecture. 4.2 data communication interface and networking. 4.3 SAP encapsulation and decapsulation. 4.4 data segmentation and reassembly. And 4.5 error detection and correction. Sorry for the typo. Okay, subtopic 4.1 layer by layer protocols, principles and architecture. TCP/IP and the DoD model. As shown in the figure, the four major components of the DoD model are the application, DoD model here. First is the application. Second is the transport. This one, or transport, similar to this, transport. Third is the internet. And the fourth is network access layer. Each layer has a specific responsibility and is listed here from the highest, the first layer to the lowest, the fourth layer. Okay. TCP/IP and the DoD model. So we have discussed the previous four layer just now. First, second, third and fourth. First is the application layer. The top layer on the DoD model roughly combines the functionality of the three upper layers described in the OSI model, namely the application, presentation and session layers. Okay, this is in the OSI model. So this is combined, the three in OSI to the application layer. This is where user information is handled and packaged for delivery to the transport layer. The second is transport layer, second layer. The transmission control protocol TCP and user datagram protocol UDP reside at the transport and or host to host layer and provide valuable services in data delivery and error correction. TCP, transmission control protocol, is the traffic cop and make sure that the data gets to its intended destination, while UDP is unconcerned with verifying reliable delivery of the packets. Next is the third layer. Okay. The third layer is the internet layer. The internet layer resides between the transport and access layers. So this is the transport and this is the access. So the transport is between, the internet is between transport and network access, and is the foundation for IP networking. The internet protocol IP is associated in this layer and is responsible for delivering packets across interconnected networks. And fourth is the network access layer. Like the physical layer of the OSI model, the network access layer is responsible for delivering data across the physical network hardware. So network access layer is related to physical network hardware in a DoD model. Okay. 4.2 Data Communication Interface and Networking. I think this part we will discuss in next video. So that's all for this video. Until then, thank you very much for your attention.